Broccoli is a superfood, it's packed with protein, but that's not all. This green vegetable is also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. From vitamin C to fiber, broccoli has it all. You might be surprised to learn that broccoli has more protein per calorie than beef. That's right. While beef is often considered the go-to source for protein, broccoli offers a plant-based alternative that is both nutritious and versatile. This green veggie is a protein powerhouse. It's perfect for those looking to add more plant-based options to their diet. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or just someone who loves their greens, broccoli can be a fantastic addition to your meals. Broccoli is a great choice for vegetarians and meat-eaters alike. It can be steamed, roasted, or even eaten raw. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes, from salads to stir-fries. It's a delicious and nutritious way to get your protein. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Season it with your favorite spices, and you've got a tasty side dish or main course. So next time you're looking for a protein boost, reach for some broccoli. Not only will you be doing your body a favor, but you'll also be enjoying a delicious and versatile vegetable that can be prepared in countless ways. Give broccoli a try and experience its many benefits for yourself. Let's dive into the ultimate protein showdown: broccoli versus beef. Both are popular choices, but which one truly packs the most punch when it comes to protein? For the same number of calories, broccoli surprisingly has more protein. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, offering you a higher protein content per calorie. That means you get more protein for every bite, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maximize their protein intake without consuming too many calories. On the other hand, beef does have more protein by weight. It's a traditional source of protein, often favored for its rich taste and high protein density. But when you look at calories, broccoli comes out on top. This means you can eat more broccoli to get the same amount of protein as a smaller portion of beef, all while consuming fewer calories. So if you're watching your weight or aiming for a healthier diet, broccoli is the clear winner. It's nutrient-dense, low in calories, and high in protein, making it a fantastic addition to any meal plan. Broccoli is full of fiber. Fiber is like a superhero for your gut. It helps keep things moving smoothly. Beef doesn't have any fiber. Eating more fiber can help you feel full and satisfied after meals. That's why broccoli is a great choice if you're trying to lose weight. Broccoli is bursting with vitamins and minerals. It has vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These essential nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. Vitamin C is known for boosting the immune system, while vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Folate, on the other hand, is important for cell growth and metabolism. These nutrients are important for strong bones, a healthy heart, and a sharp mind. Beef has some vitamins and minerals too, such as iron and vitamin B12, which are essential for red blood cell production and energy levels. But broccoli is a nutritional all-star. It stands out because it is low in calories yet packed with nutrients. It's one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can help you achieve a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Whether you steam it, roast it, or eat it raw, broccoli is a versatile and delicious way to boost your health.